Lesson 13, our last content lesson in HIS 104, as America speeds through the 1980s and 90s and more to the modern era. Get a glimpse of America really seeing a revival of conservatism throughout the United States as it retreats from the sort of larger government programs of the 1960s and 70s, slashing taxes and at times cutting government regulations. But beyond that, we see a really interesting end to the Cold War, a conclusion there, a 1990s of kind of prosperity and mixed results, and then ultimately the September 11th attacks, and kind of on from there, and how our world has been dramatically changed from those events. So it is fun to kind of study the more modern history era, and you're definitely going to get that in this chapter, and a lot of parallels and connections to what we saw in the 80s and 90s and early 2000s to what we have today.